I've come to speak to the people that are gathering today at the rally.
This is what happened when we set up to interview one of the top billed speakers at Saturday's Grand Freedom Rally in Vancouver. It took the help of a couple of police officers before we could proceed.
They should not take the word of
The interview was important because Dr. Stephen Malthouse is the first practicing doctor in BC who we've spoken with who's been willing to put his professional reputation on the line and publicly challenge the government's response to the pandemic.
what we're being told to do, the measures that are being rolled out, the rules that are being created for people to follow in British Columbia are actually causing a great deal of harm.
Malthouse challenges the science behind mask wearing, social distancing, and lockdowns. It's a message that's well received here.
The virus, in quotes, has never been isolated or purified in a lab.
A year into Canada's story of the pandemic, and this movement is going strong, but evolving. Now insisting they be identified as freedom fighters, not anti-maskers, and emphasizing even more their anger and distrust of the media.
I support the truth. Like, Trump is the president of the world. He's still the president of the world.
Fiction writers.
At one point, reporters covering this event were singled out and reminded of their professional obligations.
Do your job. Do your job.
Rallies like these, which happen in defiance of the public health orders, have brought this withering response from BC's Solicitor General.
They are the problem. And the sooner we get this curve bent down, the sooner we get COVID under control, then they can go back to their narcissistic, self-indulgent ways.
Given that many here are pushing ideas and slogans that are not supportable by facts, we asked Dr. Malthouse if he's concerned that his stature as a licensed physician is egging them on.
I'm just telling people, don't take my word for it. Don't take Bonnie Henry's word for it. Do the research yourself. It's all out there. It's just not going to come to you across on your TV set.
Fake news stories for them.
In Vancouver, Paul Johnson, Global News.